Hello everyone, I am Trupali Chashani and today I will explain you about the topic coaxial cable guided media. This topic explains coaxial cable, which is an important guided transmission media used in communication system. Introduction to guided transmission medium. Guided transmission medium uses a physical part to send signal. Signals travels through a solid medium like copper or optical fiber. Examples include twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber. Among these, coaxial cables give better shielding and performance than twisted pair cable. Introduction to coaxial cable. A coaxial cable is a guided medium used to transmit electrical signal. The word coaxial means inner conductor and outer conductor share the same axis. It is designed to carry high frequency signal to lower interference. Used in cable TV, broadband internet, CCTV system and RF communication. This diagram shows the internal structure of coaxial cable. It is consists of inner conductor, dielectric insulator, outer conductor and outer plastic jack. Each layer has a specific role. Inner conductor. The inner conductor is made of copper or copper coated steel located at the center of the cable and function is to carries the actual data signal. Dielectric insulator. The dielectric insulator surrounds the inner conductor made of plastic or foam. Functions include maintains distance between conductor, prevent short circuit and reduce signal loss. Outer conductor shield. The outer conductor is made of metal braid or foil. Function is act as a ground, protect from electromagnetic interference, reduce external noise. This layer improves signal quality. Outer plastic jacket. This is the outermost layer and function is mechanical protection, protect from moisture, heat and damage and increases cable life. Working principle of coaxial cable. Working steps. First, signal flows through inner conductor. Outer conductor act as a return path and shield. Dielectric keeps signal stable. Because of shielding, interference is reduced. Signal leakage is low, so coaxial cables support higher bandwidth. Signal transmission in coaxial cable. Signal travels as electromagnetic waves. Energy flows in the dielectrical region between conductor. Advantage of this structure is low noise, better signal integrity and reduced crosstalk. Types of coaxial cable. First, baseband coaxial cable used for digital transmission and entire bandwidth uses for one signal. Example, older Ethernet LAN. Second, broadband coaxial cable used for analog transmission, multiple signal transmitted together. An example is cable TV networks. Common types of coaxial cable. Common type are RG6, RG59 and RG11. They differ in thickness, signal loss and application area. Characteristics of coaxial cable. Main characteristic: moderate to high bandwidth, higher data rate than twisted pair, good noise immunity, long distance with amplifier, and moderate cost. Advantages of coaxial cable. Advantages include strong noise shielding, higher bandwidth, reliable transmission, less signal attenuation, and good for high frequency signals. Disadvantages of coaxial cable. Disadvantages is thick and less flexible, costlier than twisted pair, installation is difficult and not best for distance. Applications of coaxial cable used in cable TV distribution, broadband internet, CCTV cameras, radio communication, military and aerospace system. And last, importance of coaxial cable. It acts as a it connects old and modern system, still popular due to reliability and low cost, and play a key role in broadcasting and broadband. Thank you.